Burning, tingling, or numbness in your feet? Diabetic neuropathy can make everyday life miserable, but what if nerve damage could actually be repaired? A 2011 study tested a specific combination of B vitamins on people suffering from diabetic peripheral neuropathy, and the results were impressive. Let's break it down. I'm Dr. AJ Ludlow, a doctor of physical therapy. I treat nerve pain in the clinic and help people find effective research-backed solutions for pain and recovery. Today, we're looking at a study that tested a unique blend of nutrients to support nerve repair in diabetic neuropathy. The study involved 11 people with type 2 diabetes, all suffering from diabetic small fiber neuropathy. They dealt with symptoms like burning pain, tingling, and numbness, and other painful and abnormal sensations. These symptoms come from nerve fiber damage, and traditional treatments mostly focus on symptom relief rather than actual nerve repair. Researchers tested a combination of three bioavailable B vitamins taken twice daily: 3 milligrams of L-methylfolate, which supports nitric oxide production and blood flow to nerves; 2 milligrams of methylcobalamin, which helps rebuild and protect nerve fibers; and 35 milligrams of pyridoxal 5-phosphate, which supports nerve function and neurotransmitter production. After 6 months on this regimen, participants saw significant improvements. 73% had increased nerve fiber density, meaning actual nerve regeneration. This was measured with skin punch biopsy. 82% reported less pain, tingling, and numbness. This suggests that nerve damage from diabetes might not be as permanent as we once thought. The right nutrients in the right forms may help restore nerve health. The B vitamins used in this study were methylated, which is important because it is a more bioavailable form. A large percentage of the population cannot utilize certain B vitamins effectively unless they're in the methylated form. Some things to keep in mind with this study is that, as with many of these types of studies, the sample size was very small, only 11 people. A larger study would be better, but we work with what we have, and this does align with what we know about how these nutrients support nerve function. Larger studies have been done that show benefits for neuropathy with certain B vitamins, but to my knowledge, they didn't test this specific vitamin combination. Also, many of the studies were much shorter in length, which could be why the results weren't as impressive as this study. Since B vitamins are a safe and vital nutrient, it might make sense to try your own experiment to see if it helps you. Keep in mind the results from this study happened after 6 months of supplementation, so be patient with it. If you see results early, that's great. If not, stick with it long enough to give it a fair chance, which would be the full 6 months in my opinion. If you're interested in trying this approach, I'll link to the specific forms of B vitamins used in the study in the description below. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more health insights. See you next time.